Learn English with Titanic movie. Choose the correct vocabulary. Part 1 of 10. Remember the words. You'll be tested later in this video. Sink. Mean. Iceberg. Lifeboat. Trap. The captain knew the ship would blank in a few hours. A. Sink. B. Mean. C. Iceberg. Correct answer, sink. Rose felt very sad and blank by her arranged marriage. A. Mean. B. Iceberg. C. Trapped. Correct answer, trapped. The ship hit a giant, cold blank in the ocean. A. Mean. B. Iceberg. C. Lifeboat. Correct answer, iceberg. When the Titanic was sinking, people rushed to get into the blank. A. Sink. B. Lifeboat. C. Trap. Correct answer, lifeboat. Cal's words were often very blank and unkind to Jack. A. Iceberg. B. Mean. C. Sink. Correct answer, mean. Like, comment and subscribe.